Ever walk into a room and completely forget why you're there, or blank out during a test even though you studied? Your brain isn't broken, it's just untrained. What if I told you that in the next 8 minutes, you'll learn 3 simple exercises that can fix your focus, boost your memory, and make your brain work faster than ever? These aren't meditation or boring stuff. They're actually fun challenges you'll want to try, and listen carefully. At the very end, I've prepared a bonus brain challenge as a reward for those who stick till the last second. But here's the truth. If you skip it, you won't just miss a tip, you'll miss the one exercise that could have changed the way your brain works for the rest of your life. So don't skip. Your brain deserves this reward. Let's unlock your brain's hidden power. Exercise 1. Tech detox challenges. But not the way you think. We're not saying throw your phone away. We're talking about training your brain to work without digital crutches for simple tasks. Here's what I mean. When you need to calculate a tip at a restaurant, do the math in your head instead of using the calculator. When someone gives you their phone number, try to remember it for 30 seconds before saving it. When you're grocery shopping, memorize your list instead of checking your notes app constantly. Start small. Memorize a 5-item grocery list. Can you remember milk, eggs, bread, apples, and chicken without writing it down? Once that's easy, try 7 items, then 10. For math, start with simple addition and work up to percentages. Why does this matter? Every time you rely on your phone for basic memory or math, your brain gets lazier. It's like having someone carry you everywhere. Eventually, your legs get weak. But when you force your brain to do these tasks, you're strengthening your working memory, mental math skills, and overall cognitive flexibility. The crazy part? After just 2 weeks of practicing this, you'll notice you remember names better, can focus longer during conversations, and feel mentally sharper throughout the day. Your brain will thank you for making it work again. Try this right now. Can you do 15 times 12 in your head without looking it up? Take your time. Got it? That feeling of your brain working hard, that's growth happening. Exercise 2. Strategic brain games. But not the mindless ones you're thinking of. Forget Candy Crush. We're talking about games that actually make you smarter. The big 4 are chess, sudoku, crossword puzzles, and word scrambles. But here's a secret most people miss. It's not just about playing these games, it's about playing them strategically. For chess, don't just move pieces randomly. Think 3 moves ahead. Ask yourself, if I move here, what will my opponent do? For sudoku, don't guess. Use logical elimination. For word puzzles, try to find patterns in letter combinations. Why do these work? Each game targets different brain areas. Chess builds strategic thinking and planning. Sudoku strengthens logical reasoning and pattern recognition. Word games expand your vocabulary and verbal processing speed. Crosswords combine memory recall with problem solving. Here's your challenge. Pick one game and commit to 10 minutes daily for 1 week. But here's the key. Gradually increase the difficulty. Start with easy sudoku, then move to medium. Play against stronger chess opponents. Your brain grows when it's challenged, not when it's comfortable. Download apps like chess.com or grab a puzzle book. Make your phone time actually productive instead of just scrolling mindlessly. Exercise 3. Hand coordination drills. Hand coordination drills that will literally sync both sides of your brain. Here's what you do. Touch your right hand to your left shoulder, then immediately touch your left hand to your right knee. Now repeat this pattern as fast as you can without messing up. Sound simple? Try it right now for 30 seconds. Go! Whew. Most people start fumbling after just 10 seconds because this exercise forces both brain hemispheres to work together. Your left brain controls your right hand, and your right brain controls your left hand. When you cross them over like this, you're building bridges between both sides. Here's what happens when you practice this daily. Your reaction time gets faster, your hand-eye coordination improves, and your brain becomes better at multitasking. Students who do this for just 2 minutes before studying report better focus and less mental fatigue. Pro tip: once you master the basic pattern, add music and try to match the beat. Or create your own patterns. Right elbow to left knee, left hand to right ear. The weirder the combination, the harder your brain works and the stronger those neural connections become. All right, one more bonus challenge. This one will really test your focus. You can do it anywhere, anytime. No hands, no movement needed. Look around the room you're in right now and try to spot 5 objects that are blue. Yes, do it right now. Could be your shirt, a pen, a notebook, anything. I'll give you a quick 10-second countdown. As soon as you spot them, type those 5 blue objects in the comments right now. Ready? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done? Perfect. Why does this work? Because you're forcing your brain to practice active observation instead of autopilot scrolling. People who train observation regularly notice details faster, have sharper memory, and even get better at problem solving. So tell me, what 5 blue things did you spot? Type them below and let's see who comes up with the most interesting list. And if you're wondering, do these exercises actually work or are they just random tricks? Don't worry, science has your back. Studies from Harvard and the National Institute of Health show that cross-body movements, like hand coordination drills, activate both sides of your brain and improve focus. Research in the journal Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience found that strategic games like chess and sudoku actually strengthen brain plasticity. That's your brain's ability to grow new connections. And even something as simple as recalling words or spotting objects has been proven in psychology studies to boost short-term memory and sharpen your attention network. So yes, these aren't just fun challenges. They're backed by real neuroscience. And if you practice them, your brain will thank you. And there you have it. 3 more brain exercises that will level up your mental game. Hand coordination drills to sync both sides of your brain, strategic brain games to sharpen your thinking, and tech detox challenges to strengthen your natural abilities. Here's your mission. Pick one exercise from today and try it for just 5 minutes. That's it. Which one are you most excited to try? Drop a comment and let me know. I read every single one and love seeing your progress. If these exercises helped you realize your brain has way more potential than you thought, smash that like button. Subscribe for more brain-boosting content, and remember, every expert was once a beginner. Your brain is capable of incredible things when you train it properly. Start today, and in just 1 week, you'll feel the difference. See you in the next one.